Vijayadashmi is just around the corner, and I'm sure a lot of parents are eagerly preparing for the Vidyarambham of their little ones and also looking out for the best schools for their children. Look no more, I present to you the Friends School. We have 3 campuses, one at Venpalavatam, Vayamar Junction and Menamkulam. We take children from the age of 2 years and we have classes up till Standard 3 currently. We limit our class strength to 15 students to be able to give that individual attention to each child. We follow a methodology called experiential learning where children learn through a lot of play-based activities. We divide our early learning section into 2, play school for children between the age of 2 and 3 years, preschool for the children between the age of 3 and 4 years. So in our early learning section, we focus on the following skills to be developed in the children. One is their communication skills. That is basically to be able to communicate their thoughts very clearly in sentences. This is done through a lot of stories and singing and conversations with the children. Social skills, their ability to play in a group. They are coming in interaction with their peer group probably for the first time. So to be able to share resources, to wait for their turn, etc. Then a lot of age-appropriate activities which develop their fine and gross motor skills, their hand-eye coordination, and we also develop in them their age-appropriate independence to be able to wear their own shoes, to keep a toy back in its position, to take care of their own things, etc. All of this is developed through a lot of play-based activities. We use tools like singing, stories, music and movement, Zumba, yoga, pretend play, activity booster sports, and so much more. Also, I would like to tell you that all our campuses have a lot of space outside for children to play, and we have a lot of trees and mud. So we give a lot of importance to nature-based activities. So over and above everything, at the Friends School, we let children be children. Admissions are open to our play school and preschool section at all campuses. Van facility is also available at all our campuses. As we take only limited seats in a class, do hurry up and call on the below mentioned number to make an appointment for a campus tour. This Vidyarambham season, you can gift your child the best beginning to his or her learning journey.